mean, it's a very proud feeling for sure. We had started just a year back thinking only about a scholarship scheme, and during our journey, we came across students who did not know how to use a laptop despite being in 10th standard. And that's when we realized that digital literacy is so important, and it's not happening, in government schools because of lack of resources. So we took the initiative. Let's think more and bigger, and let's start with digital labs in the BMC schools. And we were not sure how this is going to work out, how this will happen. We were like, maybe one lab this year, that could be the goal. And to see us opening 5 labs, 5 proper digital labs with computer, teachers, and all the facilities within the span of a year, I think I'm so proud of all the efforts everyone in our team took and the speed at which we are growing and being able to do more. So definitely very proud of what we achieved with our labs.
We hadn't even thought of the labs when we started this NGO. So we started only with the scholarship program. And when we realized that we have given them laptops but they can't operate it, made us realize we are missing the basic element which has to be started in the BMC schools itself. Secondly, scholarship. Through the scholarship program, I can help a very limited number of students. So I do want to make some difference at a larger and a mass scale also. And today I feel in today's time, so I'm not a part of the computer age, but today is the computer age. And any child who gets even average marks or basic marks, if he has some basic computer knowledge, he will definitely end up with some job. Or let me put it this way, to get any job, if you don't have computer knowledge, you are not hireable. So this is a manpower which is not employable. So to make these people resources which can be used by a society, basic computer knowledge, I feel even basic English is necessary. So we've not come to that stage as yet. Hopefully we will, but we have made a beginning with computers, and I'm hoping the labs are so beautiful, children will come there out of some curiosity and they will love working on computers. Many of them may develop an interest for it and make a career in computers. And even if they don't make a career, at least basic computer आता है तो jobs तो मिल जाएंगे. So just for the employment.
I think the biggest challenge is that we are new at this, and this is the first time we're doing this. So there are a lot of trial and errors that happen in all aspects. Team building, who more do we need? Sometimes we are overworked. There are 3-4 people multitasking, one person doing graphic designing and the managing work and everything else. Second problem I think we faced majorly was media and marketing. There are so many people who want to help, but we were not, I think, able to outreach to those platforms and even to the students to some extent, because many students didn't even know the credibility. Of course, we knew that how credible is Sneha Shah? Are they really going to help us, or is it just another scam? So yeah, that is still our biggest challenge, to build a credible brand and an organization people trust and would trust the child with. And we just hope we can reach out to many more people with a good speed and send our project across.
So we started from the scratch, and we were barely 2 to 3 people, and we were doing all in one. We were the peons, the planners, the executors, everything. And it was just work from home. We didn't even have an office. So someone was good enough to give us some space in their office. So that is how we started, and suddenly we are doing great work. We were falling short and we had to hire people, and now we've reached a stage where we have so many people, we don't have a place to sit. And the initial hiccup problems like proper structuring, proper organization, because we are all working in a very impromptu way. We have not structured it well because we are so new. So hopefully the coming year we will structure it better. Then media was another problem because we have very limited resources. So we really didn't have much to spend on media. And on my personal note, I'm not having much knowledge of media and technology, so that was a big handicap for me. Where my friend Aisha really pipped in, and she's helping me in that. Now, at the trustee level, one very big problem for us is the CSR. Now, because for 3 years, whatever funds we get do not qualify for CSR. So the funding is a very big problem. So we have struggled for 1.5 years. I'm hoping we will struggle for the next 1.5 years and somehow become so credible that when we open for CSR, we'll have no dearth of funds. But right now, on an individual level, we are all networking, trying to convince people to give us personal donations. So all of us are working on that. Our team, my family, so everyone who can. My husband, I have to give him a lot of credit. He is a very big support system for me right now. So on a personal level, we are trying to get funds and make the show go on.